Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh. He's right. Halloween is coming up, and that means it's the thriller night, and no one's gonna save you from the beast that bows to strike. You know it's thriller. Oh, 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 oh. Ah, it's so nice to get together with you guys. Yeah, and it's so nice to hang. It's so nice to like hang here and all three of us together. Yep. It is so nice to. Oh no. What's wrong, Adelaide? I I I Oh, I see what's wrong. I think you got the hiccups. They're no fun. What? The hiccups? Oh, yeah. Well, I would go down to the Mercado and get that hiccup cure that my abuelo made for Vito one time, his buddy Vito one time, but sadly we're all out of that, and Bobby and abuelo have to make new hiccup cure remedies. I don't know. That's not good. I know the hiccups stink, but we'll find a way though. Adelaide. Hey, oh, hey, oh, are you Phineas? Yeah. Me and Ferb are looking for Perry. Have you seen Perry? No, I haven't seen him anywhere. Oh, there he goes. And he's going along with some detective panda. Oh yeah. Hey, wait up. Whoop. Let's have fun. I'm gonna go help Phineas out. He hardly says anything. I know. Hey, I am El Tigre, and it is I, Boo. And where's Phineas and Ferb? Oh, they went past here. Oh, looks like somebody has the hiccups. Yeah, and we're trying to figure out some. We're gonna figure out how to get rid of them and all. Oh well, did Phineas and Ferb just pass by? Yeah, they were trying to catch up with their platypus. Oh, well, anyway, um, see you girls later. Yeah, adios, chicas. Alrighty. Well, I think I know somebody that can help us. Who? Let's try Gumball and Darwin. I mean, Gumball and Mordecai, Rigby, Finn, and Jake and Darwin. Yeah, if they're all together. Yeah, well, I heard they were hanging out, and I think they could. I don't think they'll mind if we interrupt them for a bit. All right. Hello, girls. I am Aquaman. Excuse me, Aquaman. Yep, just looking around for crime to make sure everything's okay. And if I see any crime on somewhere, I'll go permission to come aboard. And if that's on a ship or something. Oh yeah, that's funny. We'll let you. We won't keep you. We have to help. I have to help my little sister get over her hiccups. Yeah, these silly hiccups. I don't like the hiccups. Yeah, Oh yeah, they are no fun at all. Well, anyway, take care, girls. Yeah, you too, Aquaman. Aquaman out. So, so, ready? Yep. They're just nearby. Ah, it's so nice to chill here. Yeah, I know, and it's so nice to like hang out here with you guys. Well, actually, you two are the ones who invited me and Gumball and Jake and Darwin. By the way, where is Darwin anyway? Oh, he has the flu. He has the flu. Oh yeah, and Jake has it too. Oh, hey guys. Oh, Ronnie Anne. Sorry, I hope we're not interrupting or anything. No, no, you're fine. Where's Sid? I'm right here, and we need your help because my little sister Adelaide has the hiccups. I have the silly hiccups. I don't like the hiccups. Oh my gosh, they are no fun. I know. I've gotten the hiccups before. You have any water? No, we don't have any water right now. Usually water's the cure. I know. How about try holding your breath? Yeah, hold your breath. That'll probably help you out with the hiccups. Yeah. Or maybe we can scare you or something. Maybe let me try holding my breath first. No, it didn't work. Maybe you didn't hold it long enough. How about I hang on, I'll be right back. How about I'm gonna try to scare you. So yeah, maybe that'll help you. All right. Where's he going anyway? Is he getting something? No, Adelaide. He said he's gonna try to scare you to um, get your hiccups to stop. Yeah, and that might even work. What's that noise? Did it work? Did I scare your hiccups away? No, no, I don't think you did. Hey guys, I am Turbo the Snail, the fastest snail on the planet. Okay. Hey guys, it's me Dash. I'm just on my daily run. It's kind of like a routine that it's part of my routine every day. So yeah. Okay. Oh, hello, guys. I'm Ray. You're Ray from Star Wars. Yep, and I hear that Adelaide here has the hiccups. Oh yeah, she's my little sister. Yeah, silly hiccups. They're no fun. I don't like the hiccups. Well, I know two people that might could help you. Ron and Harry Potter, Ron Weasley and Harry Potter. Excuse me. Because they can use magic to like get rid of hiccups and all. Oh, really? Yeah. So anyway, I'll let you guys do that because BB-8 is having a little problem right now. What's the problem with BB-8? Oh, it's nothing. He's just acting up or something. But anyway, I will see you all later. All right, bye, boy. Oh, one more thing. Be sure to check out Star Wars Rise of Skywalker in theaters December 20th, Friday, December 20th, 2019. Probably going to be rated PG-13. Okay, yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. Alright, well, see you all later. Good luck with getting rid of the hiccups, Adelaide. Thank you. Alright, alright, so, I think they're just nearby. Yeah, they're just nearby. Ron and Harry Potter. Alright, well, thanks. See you guys later. Alright. Just so nice to hang here. Yeah, I'm glad we're taking a break from magic for a week until Halloween, right, Harry? Yep. Yeah, and I'm taking a break from karate and all. Me, Daniel Russo, and I Ash Ketchum brought my Pokeball here, and Chimchar and Grottle are here. Chimchar. Grottle. Hey Ash, where's Pikachu? He's always with you, right? He has the flu, sadly.
Oh, the flu stinks. I have to agree with him.
Oh yeah, and Tommy's here, and me, Arnold, I'm here too. Alright, that's cool. It's nice to hang here. Hey guys, it's me, Ronnie Anne. Oh, Ronnie Anne. And Sid. And Adelaide. Um, is, are, are you Ron, I can't speak. Man, this stinks. She has the hiccups. They stink, don't they? Oh yeah, they do. They really do. And how can we help you? Oh, we are the people that you were just looking for. My sister has the hiccups, and we don't have any water to help her out, and we need help with getting rid of them.
The hiccups stink too.
Yeah, I know, they're no fun either. I get them here and there too. Oh, sorry. Well, we're taking a break from magic. I know somebody probably told you by now that we use magic sometimes to cure hiccups. Yeah. Oh, so somebody's told you that they do that? Yeah. Well, can you guys do that? Well, we're taking a break from magic right now until Halloween. But we know someone who can help. Hey, Genie! Little
Genie. Sorry, that's just a song by Elton John.
I know it's a classic and it's catchy too. Hello, I am the genie. What can I do for you all? Well, it's this little girl here. This girl. My name is Adelaide. Adelaide, what seems to be your problem? I have the hiccups. She wants you to take them away, Mr. Genie. Oh, well, yeah, I can do that. Just wish for it. But you have two other wishes too, because I can only do 3 wishes. 3 wishes? Yeah. So wish for any other 2 wishes. I wish that I never have them for a long time, and what else can I wish for? Adelaide, I know what you can wish for. What? You can wish for like your favorite people that our neighbors. You can wish that our neighbors have your favorite kind of candy. What are your favorite kind of candies? The Milky Way bars, like the Simply Caramel and Midnight ones, and the regular ones, and Butterfingers, and also I like caramel M&Ms, and also I like what are those other ones? Wild berry Skittles, and what are those other ones called? Peanut what are those things called? Butterfinger cups. They're just like Reese's peanut butter cups, but they're they're Butterfinger cups. Yeah. All right. Well, I heard all those favorite candies, by the way. So anyway, first do your first wish though. But I know what your favorite candies are, so you don't have to name them again when you make your third wish. All right. All right. I wish for my hiccups to be gone. All right. Hiccups, be gone. Did it work? Did it work, Adelaide? It worked! My hiccups are gone! Thanks, Mr. Genie. Sure thing. Now, what's your second wish? I wish for to never have them ever for a long time. Well, I'll see what I can do with that, but what is your third wish? My third wish? I think you know what my favorite candy is, right? Because you heard me. Yep. I wish that my neighbors will have my favorite candy when we go trick-or-treating this year, because Halloween is coming up. Oh yeah, she has a point. Halloween is coming up. Oh yeah, that's right. Sure, I'll see what I can do with that. Well, anyway, it was nice seeing you all. Um, oh, sorry. I fell on the ground. Oh, you're good. But anyway, thank y'all. Thank you, Genie. Yeah, thank you all for having me. Yeah, thank you, Mr. Genie. You're very welcome. Anyway, call me if y'all need anything. So anyway, I'm out of here. Wow. Well, anyway, thank you guys. Sure, do you want to get something like ice cream, Adelaide? Yeah, can we go to Sheridan's? I love Sheridan's. Excuse me, sure. Mm. I'll go. Can I go too? Oh, yeah, because remember you're hanging with us. Yeah. All right, well, see you all later. Do you guys want to come? No, we'll just do our own thing here. All right, well, take care. Bye. Bye. See you later. Wow. Wow. I can't believe that. I mean, what am I saying? I'm glad that he could cure the hiccups. I bet he can cure anybody.
Yeah, I know.
Oh yeah. I'm glad we have him on our side. Oh no. Oh, I think I have the hiccups. Mr. Genie. Sorry guys, but I have to I'm going on vacation to Miami, Florida to visit my buddies, I mean my relatives, because Halloween's coming up and there's going to be a haunted Halloween thingy somewhere that we're all going to. So yeah, bye. I'm stuck with these for like until Halloween or something, because that's when we can use our magic. Huh. Dawn.